Well, I got that ground down, welded, and ground up again, and you saw what I was doing over there on the roll bar. That's all welded. Got lots of grinding to do on that. And that's about all we got done today. I tried replacing the light bulbs up there in that light fixture with LEDs. They wouldn't come on. I put these bulbs back in, they wouldn't come on. I'm thinking maybe the ballast is going bad in it. So I'm going to try putting my LED bulbs that I bought in this light fixture up here, which has one daylight bulb and one that's not, and see if it'll work better there. So there you have it. That's about all there is for today. And I was going to work on my floor pan, and I realized that by using this panel in here, while it would look cool, I would still have to take my steering box off, which mounts in this hole and these two holes here. I'd have to remove all of that to get this off. So I'm thinking about something different, maybe something that won't be removable. I have another piece that would fit right down in here like this. It's a perfect fit in that space, and it would just leave this end open so I would have access to my sprocket and stuff down under there. But then I would have to fill in these holes here, which is not a big deal. I think I would cut these tabs out because, cut these tabs out because they would be useful for something else, and then just fill in these holes with pieces of metal. That's what I'm thinking about. I had also thought about putting a piece of wood in there, make a wood floorboard, but I run into the same problem again. Anything that I put in there, unless it can be removed from the bottom, would interfere with my steering setup. So I'm leaning towards this and just replacing these two pieces there, and then filling up all my extra holes in there. And I could do something back here similar, you know, something like that with another piece, and that would take care of it. We'll see. Slow going, ain't it? Here I thought I was going to have it all done by spring. It's already March. Thanks for watching, for commenting, and for subscribing. And I wonder how my test footage from my wireless mic came out. Stay tuned to find out. Here we go. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3 with the microphone. Are you hearing me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I'm trying out my new wireless microphone. And it looks like I turned my camera around the wrong way. I'm wondering if the microphone I have up here is going to get too much, pick up too much static or too much background noise from other things around, and see if it's strong enough to work here in the shop. My idea is that I can use it and it would perhaps overcome the sounds in the background, and it will also help to overcome sounds, especially like my air compressor. Let's try it. There's the air compressor going, and I don't know if you can still hear me clearly over it or not. Let's find out.